Hello guys, welcome back to another things. But for today's video, here we're going to show you WIX SMS marketing tutorial. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly start using SMS marketing here via WIX? Well, there are different ways on you setting up your SMS marketing. So first method here is via your settings, which is the default one here. So in this case, you want to go ahead and access your WIX website here, and you just want to go to the bottom left here, click on settings, and you want to go and just scroll down a bit, and you want to look for the option here for communication channels under communication and notification. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to look for SMS. So in this case, we have WIX AI site chat, WIX chat here, Instagram business, and a lot more. We also have additional channels. So in this case, you want to go and click on manage SMS. Now you can basically, in this page here, you can manage your automations that send SMS messages to your contacts. Now click on manage SMS here, it will redirect you to this page. Which in this case, in order for you to use this functionality, you need to upgrade your plan. Which in this case, if you do upgrade your plan, you should have the option to start setting up your SMS in this way. Now, by the way, this is the default way of you managing or adding a SMS marketing or adding SMS channel or communication channel on your WIX website. But there is still another way, just in case you don't want to use this and you want to use additional settings or additional functionalities here. Now you can actually go to the app section here, and you want to go to app market, and if you type in SMS marketing, there will be different apps that you could actually choose from in here, which in this case you can just basically choose whichever you want. So we have Rabbit SEO traffic booster, easy SEO, Carty abandoned cart recovery, and in this case a lot more. There are going to be a lot here. Like for example, we also have the WhatsApp marketing here, and pop-in, smart pop-up in forms, and a lot more. So in this case, what you need to do is you just want to click on whatever app that you want to install. Once you click on it, you can go and click on add to site. But then again, some apps are only available in with that has a custom domain, which in this case involves you upgrading to a premium plan. But in this case, some apps will not require that. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to End of the Inspo. Thank you for watching.